Hey guys, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you a very easy way to do reverse smoky eye using Q-tips. Yes, you heard that right. Q-tips works perfectly in creating that beautiful and edgy reverse smoky eye. And you don't have to worry about which brush to use. How do I blend it out? Just use a Q-tip to get that beautiful reverse smoky eye which everyone loves. So now without further ado, let's get started. Now before doing anything, firstly let's prime our eyelids using a concealer, and the one I'm using is from Swiss Beauty. Now before this concealer starts creasing, I'm going to set it using some loose powder, and the one I'm using is from Maybelline. It's their Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 20 Light Medium, and I'm going to lightly dust it on the concealed area. Now I'm going to be using some sticky tape on the corner of my eye as a stencil, and I'm going to stick this above my lash line in a way that it's an extension of my lower lash line. The only eyeshadow that you'll be needing for this is a black eyeshadow, and you can use any black eyeshadow that you have, and the one I'm using is from the Freedom palette. Next I'm taking a Q-tip. This is just a regular Q-tip, and I'm going to dip it in the black eyeshadow. Now starting with my outer corner, I'm going to pull out a line using the sticky tape as a guide. And then I'm going to lightly start shading the black in my lower lash line. I'm just building the color little by little just to increase the intensity. Once you're happy with the color intensity, now you just need to take out the tape and your wing should look something like this. Now I personally like a diffused look, so I'm going to keep on lightly shading so that it creates a very beautiful and a sharp reverse wing. Now I'm going to slightly join the wing to my outer corner of the upper lash line just to create that diffused look. You can now finish up with any kind of eye makeup you like to fill in the lid space, but I'm going to keep it really simple because I want the focus to be on the reverse smoky eye. And to keep it simple and minimal, I'm going to be tight lining my lower and upper waterline with the Maybelline Line Tattoo Crayon Pen. And to finish off this eye look, I'm gently curling my eyelashes with an eyelash curler. And now using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, I'm nicely coating my upper and lower eyelashes. And here's the completed look. How sharp, clean and beautiful does that look? And best of all, it took me less than a minute to create this. It's a classic reverse smoky eye with less efforts. You'll just need 1 to 2 minutes to create this look, and this look is so flattering on anybody. Let me know what you guys think about this eye look by commenting below. And if you enjoyed watching the video, then please don't forget to hit the like button. And if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe my channel. And for your convenience, I'm listing all the product details in the description box below. And you'll also find my social media handles there. So please check it out. And that's it for this video. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.